How to create a light impact reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a light flash reveal effect in CapCut step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials. First, open the CapCut app on your Android phone. Now, open your project and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Now select the In tab to control how your video appears at the start. Search for Light Impact and you will see multiple options. Tap on any one to apply the animation effect to your clip. You'll now see a bright light impact effect reveal your video with a smooth and cinematic motion. Use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the light impact animation plays. A shorter duration makes the reveal feel faster and more energetic. A longer duration creates a smoother and more atmospheric effect. Now preview the animation and adjust the timing so the light impact effect matches your video properly. And that's it. That's how you can create a light impact reveal animation in CapCut Mobile easily.